In this tutorial, we'll show you how to submit a leave request using Informed K12. Submitting your leave request through this online form allows you to quickly and accurately request time off. Let's get started. To get to the Informed K12 website, navigate to rusd.info/IK12 certificated. Before you fill out the form, enter your full name as well as your district email address. Avoid using your personal email address, as this may delay your leave request. Once you're on the form, fill out all of the required fields, including employee ID number, worksite, payroll period, and first and last name. Required fields are highlighted in red. In this section, you will need to choose at least one day for your leave request and the number of hours for that day. For your first day of leave, make sure you use the required field first. For additional days, continue filling out the form, making sure each day has a date and hours entered. Lastly, select the type of leave of the request from the drop-down menu. If you are requesting personal necessity, FMLA, or bereavement days, please be sure to add that to the reason field. Here are some helpful tips when using the form. If your type of leave is different between days requested, fill out a separate form for each type of leave. You can request as many as 8 leave days per form, so if you have more than 8 days, you will need to fill out a second request. If your leave request overlaps a pay period, fill out the first form up until the last day of the pay period. Then fill out a second request that starts on the first date of the next pay period. Lastly, for jury duty, make sure you attach a copy of your proof of attendance using the Add Attachment section at the bottom of the form. Okay, once your form is filled out, click Submit at the bottom of the page. Select the appropriate contact from your administrative team, then click Send to Recipient. All right, you're all set. You now know how to submit a leave request using Informed K12. For any questions, please contact your site's supervisor or manager.